Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. I'm going to start off with our December Take It, Make It. They're Fleece Holiday Trees. Aren't they cute? You can decorate them any way you want. Now the how-to video was posted December 1st. Our next Meet Your Author is Sunday, December 10th. So drop in between 2 and 4 p.m. and chat with Carolyn about her book, Otter Cove. For the next couple of weeks, we are having normal programming in all departments. In the adult department, on Mondays, we have Stitch Together at 1. Thursdays, we have English Conversation Group at 2. And then there's the second Tuesday Lunch and Learn, and this month it's Holiday Decoration Swap. So drop in from noon to 1 and swap some decorations. In the teen department, we have Teen DIY Paper Snowflakes on Monday the 4th. And on Monday the 11th, it's Create a Tic-Tac-Toe Bag. Thursday is Teen Movie Night on December 7th and 14th at 6 p.m. And on Saturday, December 16th, is Teen Tabletop at noon. In the children's department, we have lots going on for the next couple of weeks. Mondays is Homeschool Explorers at 10 a.m., Catch 'em All at the library at 4 p.m., and Family Storytime at 6:30. On Tuesdays, it's Smart Starts at 10 a.m., Full Steam Ahead at 4, and Colorin' Colorado at 6:30. Wednesdays is Hands-On at 10, Toddler Tales at 2, and Poetry Storytime at 4. Thursdays, Babies and Bubbles at 10, Art Hour at 4, and Tween Crafting Night at 6. Saturdays is Quilled Creation, which is virtual at 10, and Creative Constructors at 2 p.m. Now that's in person. There is a special program on Saturday, December 16th at 10. So come join us as we make a variety of winter crafts. Children's will be taking a break from programming during the holidays. They will start back up in January. December 9th happens to be Gingerbread Decorating Day. I want you to follow the link in the description of this video to see some of the books about gingerbread everything. December 7th is Pearl Harbor Day. So I went and gathered some books about Pearl Harbor and the beginning of World War II. So in the children's department, you have several books. Attack on Pearl Harbor, another one on Pearl Harbor, and then this one, it was called Day of Infamy. Now, there's plenty more in children's. There's really a lot to choose from. In the teen department, we have a book, When Can We Go Back to America? It's voices of Japanese American incarceration during World War II. Then in the adult department, we have several. At Dawn We Slept, Countdown to Pearl Harbor, 12 Days to the Attack. That's how it was all set up. And then Pearl Harbor. And this is kind of like a big picture book with maps and things like that in it that tell the story of Pearl Harbor. This is quite interesting. And then we have Attack on Pearl Harbor. So be sure and come in and check out some of these books. They're very interesting. And don't forget, Children's is taking a break during the holidays. They'll be back in January. So till next time, hope you all have a wonderful couple of weeks.